In this video, I'm going to explain to you what managed payments is and all the pros that you get along with it compared to PayPal. So if you didn't know, in 2020, most eBay sellers got their money put in their PayPal and then they could withdraw it to any way they want. But now with managed payments, your money gets sent straight to a bank account of your choice. So you do not need to send it to PayPal and then to your bank account. eBay just automatically sends it straight to your bank account. It is very easy to set up when you first make your eBay selling account. eBay will break down everything that you need to do, and it is very simple. So what is the difference between PayPal and managed payments? What are some of the pros? What are some of the benefits you would get from doing it on managed payments? So I'm going to break down the 4 main benefits that you get with managed payments. With the first one being there's more ways for buyers to pay. Before they were limited on how they could pay, but now they have a complete range of choices. With all of the following: credit, debit, gift card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and PayPal Credit. And what this really means is you would actually get more sales as people now have more options of paying. The second benefit, it is a lot more simpler. So before, you had to wait for your money to be sent to your PayPal account, you had to pay some fees, and then you have to withdraw that money into your bank account. But the process is a lot more simpler with you having to do nothing. It is completely automatic. eBay will now send your money straight to your account without you having to do anything. Benefit number 3 is the fees are more simplified. So what that means is before, when you had to pay with PayPal, you had to have a 30-cent plus a 2.9% processing fee. Now that is gone, but they added a 30-cent fixed fee. So basically, you still have the 30 cents that you need to pay, but they took out that 2.9% PayPal fee. And the fourth and last benefit of managed payments is that payouts are extremely automatic and simplified. The payouts go to your bank account within 2 business days. And something really cool that eBay has added is that they let you schedule your payouts. And what this means is you can either choose to get paid daily or weekly every Tuesday. And if you want to learn how to change between those 2 settings, watch this video right here where I break down how you could pick between the 2 settings. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.